6AT, 120 horse turbo 6-cylinder diesel, and came out of a UPS truck. We're going to get this installed into a 1-ton Ford pickup truck, which is in the background there in the dark. What my idea here was to not drill any holes or modify the frame in any way. This particular chassis that it's sitting in is identical to the one in the red truck there that we're going to put it in. So none of what you see other than the mechanical parts in the center are going to remain as part of the project. This has been a very easy way to mock up all of the systems that I need to do to make it fit. And so with no body on the chassis anywhere, I've been able to work out my geometry for things like it has a hydraulic clutch. I'm using a pull type clutch slave cylinder from Willwood, and that's activated over here by this Willwood clutch master cylinder. And instead of switching to pendulum mount pedals, I wanted to keep it all original looking inside. So I've activated this with a long push rod going up to the master cylinder. So anyway, it won't look much different from the outside if you don't open the hood. So anyway, fire it up. Give you a quick demonstration. I built throttle linkage here. I had to move the oil filter because it was in the way of the engine mount, so I built a system for adding the remote. These linkages made out of a couple of old wrenches, and I'm using the gas pedal and throttle linkages from a Ford Flathead 6, which involves pushing on the rod from the throttle instead of pulling, so I had to build this bell crank. Alright, so the glow plugs they're not just manual, but they're completely manual for now. So I'll just count it up a little bit.